but he doesn't believe in any of that. So the only thing he hasn't been done is given a good cause yet.
Hello.
How you going?
Good, thank you. Yourself?
All right.
Can you please tell me your name and your badge number and you're from which police station we're coming from?
Yes, my name's Sergeant Mark Foster. My identification number is 4677.
Okay.
And I'm from the Kadina Police Station.
Okay. Can you please move your car a little bit further, your automobile, because it's very dangerous where you park. I don't think I'm allowed to park like this.
No, well, I have an exemption under the Australian road rules as to how I park.
You can park wherever you want?
Yes.
You don't have laws? You don't have laws?
I'm exempt from the laws.
Really?
Yes.
Okay. Can you put your camera recording, please?
Right off the bat, there's something very odd about this fellow. He's worrying about the way the cop parked. Sir, what are you talking about?
Can you put your camera in?
It is.
Okay, that's very good. You are above the law, you said. Okay. Exempt from the law. Okay. Good. Good to know that.
You, however, are not.
I've got
so
what?
We can resolve this matter today if you are able to provide us with some identification, some photographic identification as to who you are.
What happened? I have to provide you for the identification.
So at the moment, this vehicle
It's
unregistered.
automobile. Yeah, it's a private automobile.
The person who you've provided us
It's not a person. Yeah, tell me.
So the documentation that you provided us has a name on it. The name that is linked to that has a suspended driver's license, which is an offence.
You don't need a driver license to travel with your automobile.
Excuse me, sir, but would you care to elaborate on why you think you don't need a license to travel with your automobile? I would love to hear your explanation on that.
You need a driver license if you make money for what you're doing, if it's for commerce. If you know the meaning of the word, is this what you say?
And finally, the officers have required you to submit to an alco test.
Yeah, I didn't refuse.
Which is, you didn't refuse.
No, I didn't refuse. Because it's a performance, I have to get a fee for the performance. It's not free to do something that you're asking.
Yeah.
Okay?
So you're not allowed to put conditions on that test.
Who said that? You don't have
The law says that.
the law.
Yes.
The law says you don't have to put conditions of what?
Yeah.
Which law?
The Road Traffic Act and
It's not a law.
the number of judges.
It's not a law.
Supreme Court.
Yeah, it's not a law. You know, the law, it's
I'm
voted.
going to explain to you what's going to happen now.
No. I will tell you that the law that you're saying is not a law. It's not from the people. People didn't vote for this. It's not a referendum. It's just from the government. You can put whatever you want in the statutes, you know?
Excuse me, sir, but what in the doohickey are you talking about? You are making 0 sense. Just comply with the officers before things get ugly.
So what is going to happen if you don't comply with my directions?
I do not comply. I do not comply with whatever you want because you
You're
don't.
going to be arrested.
What's the crime to be arrested?
Right, so there's going to be driving an unregistered vehicle
It's not a crime. Where's the victim? Where's the victim, please?
and
Where's the victim? Where's the victim?
All right.
And I didn't refuse. I'm telling you.
failing to provide identification.
What's the crime to provide you identification? Because only if I made.
Understand the implications of.
I don't stand under you. I don't stand under you and never will stand under you. Can I please have my paperwork back also? Excuse me. Excuse me. Oh, no. No. What's he?
If you don't open the door.
No.
The window.
It's a private property.
gonna break the window.
If he breaks the window.
You're going
No. Excuse me. Don't break the window. No.
the door.
What's the reason you want me to arrest? What's the crime?
You've committed some offences. If you fail to open the door, we don't break
It's
the
not a
window.
crime. I'm telling you again, it's not a crime.
Alright.
If you try to break or damage any of my private property,
I suggest you open the door.
you have exactly what I gave you in the notice to the police commission that you've got in South Australia.
Iris,
If you do not provide your identification and open the door.
You've got my notice.
That's not identification. Photographic driver's license.
No. I'm not using driver license because I don't do it for commerce. I'm telling you again, I don't get paid to have a driver license.
What exactly do you mean by you don't get paid to have a driver's license? No one gets paid to have a driver's license. Like, I'm not even sure what you are trying to articulate, and I'm sure these officers sure don't either.
If you don't, the sergeant is going to break the window and you will be placed under arrest.
What's the crime? I'm telling you again. Here is a photo identification, okay?
That's not a driver's license.
I don't need a driver license. I don't do it for commerce.
Alright, so
Here is a photo identification. No, here it is. You don't have. No. Give me also the other things that you've got.
Pass it here.
No, I hear.
See it through the glass.
You can see it. You can see it. Here. You can see it. Okay? Here.
That is not official identification.
Doesn't matter what's official for you.
No, it is not.
It's not official for you.
You are going to be placed under arrest.
What's the crime? I'm telling you.
It was about to be broken. I suggest you open it and hop out of the
You will die. Will damage my private property.
Did he just say you will die if you damage my property? I hope that's not what this moron just said to these officers.
You are armed. You are armed. What can I say? You are with guns and you're trying to do whatever you want to do, not what is lawful. Why don't you write a fine? Huh? Why don't you write a fine?
well, I can't 'cause I don't know who you are.
But you've got my details there. You know, you've got my details.
Evidence of who you are.
I'll show you. Here it is.
You're also committing multiple offences, so it's more.
No, I don't commit any offense of the law.
I'm not going to talk to you about that anymore. I've already explained it all to you multiple times.
I explained you too. I explained you too also.
Okay. Alright. Windows.
last warning.
Excuse me?
A real ID or you're coming with us.
I don't have real ID. I'll show you the real ID. Excuse me.
Safe light repair, safe light replace.
This fool just talked himself into getting his window shattered.
Excuse me. What's your name again?
Foster.
Foster, and your ID 4677.
Yep.
Okay.
Hold that. Now you're under arrest.
Why? What's a crime? What's a crime? What's a crime?
You've been told.
What's a crime?
You're under arrest.
What's a
Come
crime?
on, out of the vehicle. Let's go.
Excuse me.
Out of the vehicle.
You are assaulting me now, okay? You are assaulting me.
Let's go.
You are assaulting
You're
me.
under arrest.
You are assaulting me.
Turn around.
You are
put your arms
assaulting
behind
me.
your
Under
back.
arrest. Unless you're
From